Check out this 2021 Ram 2500 Power Wagon. Has some upgraded wheels, upgraded off-road tires, bumper lights, some nice storage bins. So this one has the level 1 equipment group. So you get the heated steering wheel, heated seats, and remote start. Comes in the olive green, which is a very, very great color. Some nice running boards. Has the controls for the bumper lights, some bone mounts. You got the 8.4-inch display. Here are the heated seats, heated steering wheel. 4-wheel drive. This truck is already done up and ready to go.